Hello, welcome back to Soldier Farms. I'm Jim. Today I'm going to continue a variation on a theme. I've got some nice thinner blanks, and I'm going to try and make some sandwich plates. Last year I had a client who, customer at the farmer's market is a better way to put that. She came and she bought all of my small trivets to use as sandwich plates. They were about no bigger than 6 inches. Most of them were about 5 inches square, about 3/4 of an inch thick. Things you have left when you need a cutting board of a specific size and the material is too good to waste. So anyway, what I'm going to do is get ready. I can get down here so you can see what I'm doing. Take the chuck off and put our centers on. And then we will get to the turning. Alright. So, center there, center there. Move the banjo over here where it won't be a problem. And start trying to center up our blank. Alrighty. Alright. Never forget the face shield.
Old Jib Carver with his crooked grin trips on the threshold just walking in, chisel in his boot and a splinter in his hide, and every other word makes the angels hide. Oh, Jib, Jib, watch your step, bless his hands, the Lord protect your neck from the cussing storm and the flying pine. He'll build you heaven, scare you half blind. Queen of England's chair, that was Jib's hand, but he broke 3 lamps just drawing up the plan. Spilled hot pitch on the preacher's best coat, turned the air so blue that the trout turned float. Oh, Jib, Jib, watch your step, out the words he rides. Oh, Jeb, Jeb, watch your step. Bless his hands for the Lord. Protect your neck from the cussing storm and the flying pine. He'll build you heaven, scare you half blind. We marched to the yard at dawn, shavings on our boots, smoke on the hill, red coats on the road. Joiner sets a square and rule, measure twice, he grins then hide. On tight. Boards look plain as any stool, but hollowed out inside. Bodger turns the hoops from ash, chips fly in the air. Cooper shapes the staves to match like they're making empty chairs. Roll out the barrels, roll them down, quiet as a Sunday sound. Raise up the casks where the stream runs brown, under the dragoons' noses in this little rebel town. Roll out the barrels, roll them fast, laugh while the redcoats pass. We build the future in every cast, and toast what they'll never track. Drums from the road beat slow, iron hooves and polished brass. We keep our mellows soft and low, let the column thunder pass. Smell of spirit in the seams, vapors in the chill. Fife plays a mode harmless theme while we tap the heads and still. Roll out the barrels, roll them down, quiet as a Sunday sound. Raise up the casks where the stream runs brown, under the dragoons' noses in this little rebel town. Roll out the barrels, roll them fast, laugh while the redcoats pass. We build the future in every cast, and toast what they'll never track. They search the barn, count every plank, tap every wall, check every bank. We stack those barrels 3 carts high, say they're bound for fish and brine. Not a dragoon thinks twice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, the chips fly light in the morning shade, hand-cut boards and a pocket knife blade. From a holler where the pines stand tall, they sand each edge, sign every hall. Soldier Farms wood shop, built by hand, little bit of sawdust in every plan. If you like things made the slow, true way, find Soldier Farms wood shop when you shop today on Etsy and Gormage and Friends. That's Soldier Farms wood shop. Come on back again.
Alrighty, so let's take off our plate here. So I think it turned out pretty nice. I didn't carve through anywhere. It does have a slight rise in the center, but it's I mean, I see it there, you may not see it there. It is not noticeable. It's less than 1 mil. So, all in all, I'm going to call it a success. This I thought was a lot of fun. So this will go in on the mantle to be part of the wife's growing stack, and some of these will probably wind up on my market table come this summer's farmers market. Alright, so alright, so that being that, I think we'll call it for now, and I will catch you next time. Thank you for watching.